All right, so I'm about to break down just a couple pairs. Let's start with gold. So what I'm seeing, you see, it has been, forming lower highs, lower lows. Now, honesty, if price breaks above this resistance right in this area, then overall I'll be looking for price to push up to this high. But for the main part, it is still bearish. Now, if I look on the H4, I can see this has been respected a multitude of times. So, as long as it still stays respected, it does have the possibility to continue pushing up. Now, I will look for sales below this area. Let me go ahead and delete this alert. Yeah, so I would definitely look for sales below this. Now, on the H1, we do have a support right there. So that's why I'm being mindful. This has to break first for me to want to look for sales. UJ. UJ has been quite bullish. Really not truly a fan of how price was looking last week. But once again, still bullish structure. Nothing has changed. It did create a support right in this area. So just a break above here, I will at least look for the price to come right into this area at bare minimum. And if it breaks that, then have no problem with price coming all the way up to this area right in here, right around 160, 500 area. Um, so I definitely just, as long as price maintain the support, we're still looking for buys. And if it breaks this little resistance I have on the H1, I did see a lower high, created a lower low, broke above, and it never came back and closed at this level. So technically it did make a higher lows technically. Now price breaks below this, then it can go, right in this area. But still looking for buys, looking for a bullish move. But once again, just read and react. And the same goes for GU. I do see we did have higher low, then we had a lower high. Now, granted, that lower high right there, it was broken. Price did close above it. So, as long as price maintains bullish structure, and I continue looking for buys up to this resistance right here around 1.35 essentially. Let's see how it looks on the H1. Yeah, so higher low, it really can do whatever it wants to. Um, but it's a chance that it definitely can go bullish. Let's go look at Bitcoin real quick. Um, Bitcoin has been very, very bearish. Um, Strong chance that Bitcoin can drop down to around 70,750 area. I don't necessarily trade crypto, not as of yet. I definitely think you need to have a decent account to get and trade crypto. But yeah, price is very much bearish. I'm not the biggest fan of how this looks. Um, but overall price is very much bearish. Let's go to Ethereum. Same goes for Ethereum. Price is extremely bearish now, as we can see. Let's kind of zoom out, go on a bigger time frame. This support was respected. So we'll just have to see what price wants to do at this area. If it breaks this area, then overall we can come down to this area around 1823 area. But your price is very, very bearish on Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I wouldn't expect any bullish movement. Now, if it does, then once again, read and react. But as of now, price is bearish. All right, once again, thank you. That's my little forecast for the week.